So one of the jobs in my truck career history so far that I thought was going to be the worst job after the first 3 hours I was doing it actually turned out to not be that bad. Sponsored. So in this video, we're going to be putting in some SMB body cab mounts on a 2015 F250. The cab mounts that are on it, I'll show them in a second, are rotten. They're gone. There's nothing left of them. The video online said it would be like a 3-hour job. I spent like 3 hours on the first bolt.
Bringing me close.
These are the old ones. That's a good one right there. Only like 2 of them look like this on the top of them. There's a top and bottom rubber. That's real good on 2015. So whenever you go to buy a 2015, make sure you check out the cab mounts. But if you're watching this video, you probably already have one, so you're out of luck. Either way, so I'll show you the truck, explain a little of how they were to put on. We only had one of them that was like a complete bitch that was not gonna come off, so I got videos of that. But we had help getting it off, because if I didn't have them helping, I don't know how I would have done it. So she ordered up the SMB ones, not the cheap ones, because they're like $700 something, but they're worth it because you don't want to replace them again. Don't use an impact gun because you'll strip the nut clip, whatever it's called, that's in there. Yeah, I'll show you all the front one. That was the bad one. There's 8 total under here. There's one here, middle, front, and then the front one up here. I'll show you this one. So this was the bad one, this front one right here. See, it's got a nice new shiny one. I couldn't get a breaker bar in here, the one I had. And make sure you use a 6-point, not a 12 like I did, and strip it. But we were actually able to get a socket on top of this. It's a 22 millimeter. We got one up on it and used like 5 extensions up here to be able to turn it. And we actually got it with a breaker bar. We put like 3 air guns on it. They didn't work. But I got one video of us going down the road and the thing's just like, every time you turn a corner, you hear it just creaking. But now that they're in, it rides right stout. So all these came out pretty easy. I just had a swivel 1/2-inch breaker bar, probably like a 12-inch extension. So these ones actually, I heated it up. What's the play? I heated it up with a torch and then just sat there bending with the ratchet. I got a video of that, and all the rest came out pretty good, except for that front one that we spent 3 hours on one day. Oh, did like the smoke?
Take some big bolts out here.
That is the worst analogy I've ever heard. Damn it. Damn it. Something in the way, I can't spray this. Those are like the big money jeans. I can't afford them.
Yeah!
Oh, God. Oh. All I think about is the Mike Wazowski. We going?
Up top is going.
Try to get a 22 millimeter socket.
You
down in there and on the nut. He's got long extensions to get to it.
I think that's it.
He's getting on it now. We're gonna try to get it off.
Ready?
Yeah. The best country.
Bo's gonna kill his phone. Go ahead, R.
Yeah, ready.
Here we go.
Ready? Yeah, I'm gonna get my spine shivered. All right, here we go.
You all right?
I need some more strength.
All right, ready?
Got to hydrate. I am ready. My small peanut brain.
Are you on it right now?
Yeah. Dude, it's rattling.
Let's let it down then. Let's try it. Let's try a big bar on it.
Oh yeah,
Ready?
that do be stuck.
Ready?
That make a day. Pulling? Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can feel it now. Oh, fuck. Oh, looks good. I'm leaning on this bitch. Dude,
God.
that's so tight. Dude. You were moving me like I was about ready to fall off the milk crate.
We'll get a better position. Let's give it one more here.
You lean back towards
We
me.
might need bigger pipes or something. You ready?
Nah.
Yeah.
Hang on,
Wait.
How's it look?
Not good. There's a gap.
Wait a minute.
Way.
Pull it, Joe.
Yo,
Pull it
Levi-
wherever you need it, Joe.
Levi said get the torch.
Damn. It's like spring loaded.
Bro, it just came right back.
Right.
And if you go any tighter, I'm gonna need a cheater bar too, dude.
Yeah.
Let's go.
He's napping.
A little bit of extension.
Something. Now it's turning the extension back. Going.
Yeah, I got the impact there.
Should go now. Now he's just twisting with his hand.
We're moving it with the pipe though.
Yeah,
We were here.
As I said, the impact gets so much vibration.
You wanna grab a new one and look at? Yeah. Get the bottoms off. This is right off the truck. Right off the truck. we picked it up on these, which is actually where you're supposed to pick it up at. So you can pick it up on there, and we actually used a lift and picked the cab up and then had to use a jack on the front. So you can pick it up on these. Which you wouldn't think would be the strongest point, but I guess it is. You like it?
Hearts are flying.
Came out.
I got mine in.
Got yours.
First one. What do I win? What do I win?
I'm gonna get up, hold everybody's tail. I'm gonna get to the board, and we're gonna put the jack on the front a little.
Yeah, I still can't get my front one in.
Yeah, I'll lift
Well, I'm
that
ready to
with the
install
jack.
my second one.
Pop it in and then
Oh, just pop it in? Yeah, like we
pop it
just
in
popped
and
them
then
out.
hold in.
Right, tighty, lefty, loosey. Go Snap-on, sponsor us, baby.
Yeah.
Vintage, boy. You know my favorite thing about Snap-on? See, it tells you on and off, because when you're
No impacts.
oh, you got the Snap-on ratchet with the Harbor Freight socket, boy.
Yep.
Nothing but the best.
Two bad bumps. That feels like good. This thing was riding really rough then before.
My tires just
Rippers.
Water comes out. You got I got it. You think I got it. Not through my hand. No, I know that. Ready? Right there.
Well, where's the hard hats at?
No, don't. That's all. Don't go through it.
Let go, Joe!
I don't know how to keep it off of it yet. I guess I don't. I guess it'll be cheaper than.
He's gonna come off.
Oh!